How to use the handheld printer BT6210BL correctly. We begin by turning on the device using the power button and wait for the main screen to load, where we will see several icons. We enter the edit icon, which will show us various options to include text, images, and codes. In this case, we enter a text. It will display font types, numbers, and icons for selection and editing. We can also modify the size and font. When editing the text, you can add between 5 to 10 lines of text, achieving a maximum print height of 2.5 centimeters. If we want to include a QR code, we go to the QR option, and to generate it, we type the code or link. Also, if we want to include a barcode, we go to the code option, add the string, and we can edit the height and figure of the barcode on the right side. To prevent information from being lost, we go to the file option to save it with the desired name. To print the information, we first turn off the coder to insert the ink cartridge. Open the cover and insert the cartridge slightly titled, with the tip of the cartridge facing down. Make sure the cartridge is completely covered. Close it and turn it on to print. Select Print, and to activate it, press the front button. To print, we verify that printing is activated and proceed to slide it over the object. The coder allows us to print on flat, irregular, or curved surfaces. Once printing is finished, turn off the device to remove the cartridge, and never forget to place the plastic isolator on the cartridge to prevent the ink from drying out.